Hello everyone, how are you all? Hope you all are well. Welcome back to my channel, My First Step. My name is Harinder Kaur and I am a pre-primary teacher and I want to share my experience with all the parents who have children less than 5 years. एंड पेरेंट्स, अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल सो दैट मुझे मोटिवेशन मिले और मैं आपके लिए नए नए वीडियोस लेकर आती रहूं. ओके, एंड प्रेस द बेल बटन सो दैट आपको मेरे सारे वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन टाइम टू टाइम मिलता रहे. ओके, तो आज हम अपने बच्चों को कराने वाले हैं लेटर बी. ओके, सो बिना स्किप किए पूरा वीडियो देखें. चिल्ड्रन, आर यू रेडी फॉर द लेटर नेक्स्ट लेटर? ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टेल मी which letter we have done earlier? No? Remember something? We have done letter A. A says A. What? A says A. Apple. Remember something? Aeroplane. Ant. Anthill. And axe. Remember? Okay, today we will do one new letter. Do you want to meet with the new letter? Okay. Let's start our today's activity. We will meet with new letter. What is this? क्या है ये? This is a ball. Okay? This is a ball. Ball. Okay? Now look inside. What is here? Oh my God, this is the letter B. Okay, this is the letter B. B for ball. B says ball. Ball. The phonetic sound of this letter B is ball. 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 Look here. There are some more pictures inside. This is letter B. Okay, this is letter B. The name of this letter is B. And B कैसे sound करता है? B. B says B. B says B. Ball. Boy. Boy. Bone. Butterfly. Bat. Box. And bag. And ball. Okay? B for ball. B for ball. And the phonetic sound of this B is B. Okay? B. B says B. Okay? B says B. Ball. B says ball. 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 Boy. Bone. Butterfly. Bat. Box. And bag. Okay. Children, do you want to listen a story? Once, Balu, a bear. Balu, bear. Balu, a bear, saw a banana tree. Banana tree. Okay? He wants to eat banana because he like bananas. Okay? So, he take one banana from the banana tree and he ate banana. Banana. Now he wants to play and he saw a boy with bat and ball. Balu, the bear, and the boy play with bat and ball. One butterfly saw this. The butterfly clapped for them. Okay, they enjoy the game. This is the story of letter B. Balu. Beer. Banana. Boy. Bat. Ball. And butterfly. The beautiful butterfly. Okay, now we will do one more activity. Let's start. Here children, this is letter B. Now we will do rainbow writing for this letter B. This is our crayon. How to hold the crayon? Don't use these two fingers. Now bend your middle finger like this and pointer like this. Now put your crayon here and hold it with your thumb. Start coloring. You have to put your crayon here on this dot and make a standing line. Now trace these two curves like this with another color. Again put your crayon on this point, this dot, standing line, and trace these two curves like this. Another color. This is purple color. Put it on the dot, standing line, then curves like this. Take your red color, standing line, curve, blue color, standing line, and curves. This is your colorful B. B says B. Okay, B says B. The sound of letter B is B. Ball. Boy. Bat. Box. Butterfly. And book. Okay, now you have to color all this picture. Ball. Color the ball. Ball. Color the ball. And do coloring inside the ball. Inside the shape. Okay. Do coloring inside the shape. Don't go outside the line. Okay? आपको लाइन के बाहर नहीं जाना है. This is the ball. B for ball. Ball. Now, boy. 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 Now, bat. This is bat. Okay. Now, box. Don't go outside the line. You have to do coloring inside. Okay. Now, butterfly. Color your butterfly. Yay. This is the butterfly. 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 Okay. And this is book. Book. सो गाइस, कैसी लगी आपको आज की एक्टिविटी? अच्छी लगी आपको? सो प्लीज डू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल एंड प्रेस द बेल बटन सो दैट आपको सारे वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशन मिल सके. और इससे रिलेटेड मैंने जो लेटर ए के बारे में स्टार्टिंग में बताया था, मैं इस वीडियो की आपको आई बटन में लिंक दे दूंगी. आप वहां जाके ये वाला वीडियो देख सकते हैं सो दैट बच्चों को ए और बी दोनों क्लियर हो जाए. ओके, सो मिलते हैं हमारे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. अपने नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं लेके आ रही हूँ बच्चों के लिए स्लांटिंग लाइन. ओके, सो डोंट मिस दिस वीडियो. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. टिल देन, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. बाय बाय एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.